What's up, Caine.jass squad? It's your girl Jass, and today y'all I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm alone. Caine is downstairs trying to put baby CJ to sleep and help the girls with their homework, so he might pop up in the video, he might not, who knows. But the type of video I'm about to get ready to do, he gonna pop up in the video, y'all. So before we get all the way into this video, make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Welcome new subscribers, y'all. We've been getting subscribers out of nowhere. I really don't know where the heck they've been coming from, but thank you. Welcome to the channel. But y'all, today I am back with a cooking video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my delicious barbecue chicken and ranch chicken. Y'all, my hair, I'm sorry, I just got thrown off. Don't mind my hair. I'm supposed to be doing a ponytail. I washed it and, you know, did all this good stuff. And it just stayed like this. So I'm like, I'm about to do a video, so whatever. It look all right to me. I don't care, because it's going to get finished. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to be doing a cooking video. Cook some barbecue chicken and some ranch chicken and some spaghetti, okay? But the spaghetti was supposed to be like for dinner or whatever. But don't mind it. But chicken and spaghetti, that's what we eat for dinner. Sure. We eat chicken and spaghetti for dinner. We ain't got no garlic bread. I forgot the garlic bread. Look, hey, I'm a mom, I forget stuff. The ring lights, I don't know what's going on with this bad boy. So like, I'm gonna try to give y'all the best quality I can with lightning, because I don't know what's going on with it. I might have to call Bay up here so he can fix it. But okay, y'all, starting off, I have some turkey meat right here, and I have some seasoned chicken that is already cleaned and washed off and seasoned. I just use regular seasonings, garlic powder, seasoning, salt, black pepper, and lemon pepper. That's all what I seasoned this with. And the turkey, of course, is just nothing on it, or a dash of seasoning salt, but it's nothing on it. I have some fresh clean grease that's just about hot, and some fresh boiling water for my spaghetti, so I could put that in there. All right, you guys, so stay tuned for the next chapter of this video. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Oh my god, I'm really like hating that this ring light is like on some BS today. Like, your girl is back with a video and it don't even want to work right. Like, okay, so I forgot to show y'all, this is what you're gonna need for the video. You're gonna need you some ranch seasoning, some barbecue sauce, like any kind of barbecue sauce, and like some spaghetti sauce. Hey, I guess I'm showing y'all how to cook spaghetti too. Hey, whatever. So you're gonna need some spaghetti sauce. I just use that kind. Any kind of barbecue sauce you prefer to use, and you're going to need some ranch seasoning in 2 bowls. So that's everything you would need right there. I'm about to get ready to start the chicken, so. Okay, y'all, so let me fix y'all a little bit. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I got the noodles already boiling. I'll show y'all that in a minute. Right now I'm about to get ready to go ahead and put this beautiful chicken in this nice grease. So what y'all gonna do is, you already know, get you some flour, got your seasoned chicken. Go on and put some up in there. Make sure you oh, if y'all are you already know how your girl Jass cook. I like to use blood when it comes to touching meat. I'm not picky, or let me move it over here. Let's see. Right there. Yeah, like, I'm not picky when it comes to meat or whatever, but I just don't like how it feels on my hands. That's just me. So, and then also my nails be long, my natural nails be long, and I don't have time to be trying to clean meat and flour and all that stuff from under my nails. Oh, I just don't have time for it. So this grease is very nice and fresh. Alright, I'll be back with a batch done, crispy and brown. Alright y'all, so now with the spaghetti, what you want to do is drain that water. So you will be draining everything out of that pot until your strainer drain all that water out. And stay tuned. Alright you guys, we are back with the lovely, yummy looking spaghetti. Yep, spaghetti is done. We're warming on the stove. Got a second batch over here cooking. We're gonna go on over here to the batch that's already done. It's a couple pieces done right here. So we are going to get ready to start this process right here. Good right there. Okay, let's go. Alright, so this is the next step right here. You're gonna get your chicken and you're gonna put however many you want in the bowls. So right now it's 6. So it was 8 chickens done, so I got them in the bowls. Okay, I got my chickens in the bowl. What you're gonna do is, if I didn't mention with these bowls or whatever kind of bowls you use, we got butter bowls, so I'm using butter bowls, whatever. So whatever kind of bowl you use for your chicken, make sure you got a lid on it because you're gonna have to shake it up. Simple and easy. Put my barbecue in here. Put some barbecue in there. Lid on that. Get your ranch. Season. So, I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like before I start shaking it. You got your ranch and you got your barbecue. The secret to this ranch chicken, barbecue chicken, any kind of chicken, hot sauce, hot, mild, whatever kind of chicken, it has to be fresh and it has to be cooked hot and fresh so it can stick. So you will remove the lids and this is what it should look like. You got your ranch chicken. I don't even see. By this ring light not working, I don't even know if y'all can see this ranch chicken that good, but I'm gonna try to get it good as best I can. You can see the ranch, and of course you can see the good barbecue. Honey barbecue, regular barbecue, whatever you prefer. Don't put that like that, cause y'all, can y'all see the ranch crumbs in there? Good. Okay, so this should be your outcome. Some beautiful barbecue chicken and ranch chicken. Y'all can see the ranch on there now because I picked the camera up. Stupid ring light ain't acting right. I need to get a new one, but whatever. Y'all see that chicken right there. We gonna continue to wait until the rest of it is finished. All right, you guys, so I'm back with the finished meal for dinner, what we are having. some scrumptious spaghetti. Spaghetti been done. If you don't know, spaghetti get done very quick. It is quick and easy to cook spaghetti. And over here we have this ranch chicken and barbecue chicken. It's honey barbecue and regular barbecue. And just plain ranch chicken. Alright y'all, so that is the finished touch on how to make barbecue chicken and ranch chicken. So if you like this video, I hope you can learn from it. Just making regular ranch chicken and honey barbecue chicken, regular barbecue chicken, it doesn't matter. It's very easy and simple. All the steps is very easy and simple, and so it's the steps for spaghetti. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you are not, and join the squad. And stay lit, and make sure you keep your post notification bells on so you don't miss a video when the squad drop. Y'all stay blessed and peace.